What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another sneaker unboxing and on-foot review. This right here is the Air Jordan 7 China. And as you can see, I can see a 23 and a Nike logo right there. There's a lot of other stuff going on this that I don't understand. Red box. I believe red is like slightly lucky. Gonna open up the box here. I didn't even know these sneakers came out, to be honest with you. The same logo that can be seen on the lid of the box is seen on this wrapping paper here. Let's go ahead and unbox the sneakers. And as we get into this content, I'm going to remind you there's an affiliate marketing link to get yourself a pair of these on StockX. I think these are pretty rare. You might have a hard time finding them, so just check out the link on StockX. Pretty awesome sneakers if you ask me. Got the Jordan logo. Jordan 7s are pretty funky. Jordan logo up here. I'm pretty sure there's a dragon right here if you look real close. White on white dragon. Some more interesting artifacts right there, white on white. Let's check out the inside of the shoe. Before we do that, let's just see that same logo is on the tongue. Inside of the Jordan 7s, it says Jordan on there. Got some gold lace tips. That's always a great addition. Got a nice little red sole. Great pair of sneakers. We're gonna throw them on in just a second, but I gotta just show you how fire these look. There's a lot of interesting patterning work right here. Like, this is all very nice design work if you ask me. There's some more white on white right here in the toe box. You can't really see it unless you look really close to the shoe. In fact, there's a lot of white on white patterning throughout the sneaker. Let's pull out the second of the pair. Here we have the right side shoe. Quite similar. Nothing special inside, just a red sole with the Jordan logo. Great colorway sneaker. Definitely check out the link in the description to buy them on StockX. You might get yourself a nice little deal. And let's check them out on foot. As you can see, this is a great pair of sneakers. Check out the Amazon affiliate marketing links in the description to get yourself some nice joggers or jeans to go with these. Don't forget that StockX affiliate marketing link too. It's funny that I didn't even know that these sneakers were coming out. And I thought I was starting to pay attention to releases these days, but I don't know how this one slipped from my radar. I think it's a pretty cool shoe here. Just gonna show it off one more time. Jordan logo down there. Let's check out the bottom. The Jordan 7 is like a super Fresh Prince vibe, if you ask me. Especially this colorway. And a lot of the famous colorways are also a very Fresh Prince vibe. Just gonna hold it up so this Jordan sign is like at least parallel to the ground. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Before I go, let's make sure there's nothing inside this box that I'm forgetting. Got a nice little brown colorway on the interior of the box. I don't know how I feel about these Jordan boxes with the little hole right here. They're usually quite vulnerable, they break easily. Not the hole, but these boxes. The lids especially. I'm lucky enough to have a nice little box here without too much damage, but I can totally see how this box lid would not do very well. What I did notice is that there's no actual text inside this box lid. Usually you find some text written in these areas. This is the Jordan 7. Great colorway. Great sneaker. Looks great on foot, as you saw earlier in the video. The only thing about it is that these Jordan 7s have this interior sock lining. Some people find it a little bit tight. It provides good cushioning, but you might find it tight if you don't have like the slimmest foot. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.